Hello and welcome to Technology for Blind YouTube channel. I'm back with another interesting video for you guys. So today I'm going to be showing you basically I'm going to be getting you a tour on the previous Windows called Windows Vista. Actually I'm going to be running the operating system via a virtual machine using a VM. If you don't know about the virtual machines, I have done a tutorial about how to download, install and configure a virtual machine and test an operating system on my YouTube channel previously. So if you want, you can watch it and you will be able to gain some knowledge and you will be able to experiment with all those terms. And if you didn't watch that video, then you will be confused. So first of all, go ahead and watch the video and come back to this video. So having said that, I'm using VMware 15. I will provide the link. And also when it comes to Windows Vista was released on 2006, I think. I don't know about those years when it was released, but nowadays Windows Vista is not usable in modern software world, modern technology, even though it has, but you cannot download Windows Vista from official Microsoft website because it is not supported by Microsoft. And I have downloaded Windows Vista from an unknown source, so I will not provide you the link to download because I'm not responsible for any damages. So for safety precaution, it is not good, it is not better to provide the link. By the way, if you found a link to download Windows Vista, you can download and you can use it on a virtual machine, so you will not be screwed up your system, so you can safely get around and experiment with the Windows Vista. Okay, so let's quickly install VMware player. It is really simple, so let's go to installing.
Tree view blindhelp.net VMware player commercial 1.5.0 WinRAR blind down
So
open with extract file tree collapse.
These are self-explanatory.
File desk
You can do it on your own
start
self.
tools folder
So
blindhelp.net VMware fix.rar to blindhelp VMware player commercial 1.5.0.
so you have to press enter on this setup
Secure
and
desktop.
provide the
Theme
permission.
unknown. Blindhelp.net graphic.
So
Graphic.
in a minute it will launch the setup.
Desktop. Desktop list.
Yeah, here.
Welcome to the VMware Workstation 15 players. Cancel. HTTP. Next. Cancel. Next. Prep. VMware Work. Print. I accept. Check. Print. Back. Next.
These are typical.
Change. Next. But prep. VMware Workstation 15 player setup. Learn more. HTTP. Check for. Join the. Check. Not check. Join. Not check. Edit. Learn. Back. Cancel. VMware. Yes. No. Next. VMware. Desk. Next button. Alt plus N. Not check. Check. Start menu. Back. Cancel. Next. VMware. VMware Work.
So it will be installed.
Beep for progress bar up.
This is quite accessible, but some of the parts aren't accessible, but let's see what's going on. I will show you
VMware
how
Workstation
to
15 player setup.
set up the virtual machine from the beginning.
Virtual.
Now
VMware Workstation 15 player setup.
okay,
License. Finish button. Finish button. Desktop list. Blindhelp.
we have to
Blindhelp. Blind. Fixed. Blind. Fix.rar. WinRAR. Keygen.5.
now
Blind
first of
contact.
all
Extract with Express
let's
zip.
extract here the fixed.rar.
Open. Extract here at. Blindhelp.net
Okay,
VMware.workstation. Keygen.shed200. Keygen.exe 4 of 6.
exe, let's press
VMware Work.
enter and
Open new window. 5. VMware. Folder. VMware Workstation 15 player 2 of.
press enter on this VMware icon.
Welcome to VMware Workstation 15 player dialog. VMware Workstation 15 player by a commercial use license. Edit by a commercial.
Just
Continue button Alt plus C. Cancel. Use VMware Workstation. Pressed. Finish.
Just
VMware
press
VMware
finish.
Workstation 15. Desktop.
What about
desktop.
dragging this?
VMware desktop.
It is not possible. Okay.
Desktop. VMware.
So
Welcome to create a new virtual machine. Welcome.
we have to register.
Free button. Get edit this product is not licensed and list. Welcome to contact exit help sub menu help online support upgrade enter license soft enter license cancel edit blank edit this product is not licensed and is authorized for non-commercial use only. For commercial use, purchase a license. Buy now.
Okay.
Read only. Edit blank cancel edit blank blank blank. The generate button license key grouping license key edit read only selected AZ300.
It's copy by pressing Ctrl Z.
And can edit edit Q OK button.
Okay.
Secure desktop.
User
Provide
And VMware Workstation 15 player. Property page. Welcome to VMware Workstation 15. VMware
it has
Workstation
been
15.
cracked. Let's make it full screen by pressing Windows up arrow. Now, to create a virtual machine, simply you have to press Ctrl N
New virtual machine wizard dialog. Dialog install from. Select.
and you have to fill the form like a standalone setup.
I will install installer disk image file. Browse.
Now I will browse the
Pressed.
file where it's located.
Linux 5.0, Win 1018, Windows 8.1, Windows 730, Windows Vista, Windows Vista Ultimate SP2 AMD.
This is the
New virtual
file.
machine wizard dialog. Dialog install from.
Now
What's this? Help button. Next greater button alt.
if the system if the VMware detects what I have provided, it will
Pressed. Unavailable. Help button. Dialog.
now on this screen it asks our information, so it will automatically install the Windows Vista according to our information. Okay, now
Edit. Blank.
this edit box is the key. Okay, key, the Windows Vista key, and
Version of Windows to edit. Version of Windows to install combo box Windows Vista Ultimate collapsed alt.
now since there is only one, it's showing me that.
Full name. Edit alt plus F. Selected. Selection removed.
Rashad. Okay.
Password. Confirm. Help button. Less back button. Next greater.
Next.
VMware Workstation 15 player dialog. You did not enter a Windows product key. Windows will install without one, but must be manually activated later. Would you like
Okay.
to continue? Yes,
Yes.
button alt plus Y. No button. Yes button.
Yes.
New virtual machine wizard dialog. Button. Dialog. Virtual machine name. Edit alt plus V. Selected Windows Vista X64 edition.
Okay.
Location. Edit alt plus L. Selected C. Browse.
Now for this you need
Browse.
like
Make new folder.
a nice amount of
Virtual machine.
storage.
Level 1 collapsed.
So
Expanded. 11.
let's
Level Rashad. Expand. Folder. Selection removed. Space. Make new. Pressed. Virtual machine location.
Windows VM.
VM. Windows. Level 3 Windows VMs. Fold. Make new. OK button. New less back. Next. Unavailable. Text. Property page. The virtual machine's hard disk is stored as
This is the virtual hard disk. Okay.
40.0.
40.0 it is okay.
Split virtual disk into multiple files. Radio.
Let's leave it as default.
Help button. Less. Next. Pressed.
Next.
Unavailable. Help button. Dialog. The virtual machine will be created with the following settings. List. Name. Windows Vista X64 edition 1 of 9.
Okay.
Location. F. Windows. Version. Workstation. Operating system. List item. Hard disk. 40. Memory. 1000 and network. Other.
Okay,
Name.
let's
Customize hardware. Pressed.
hardware.
Hardware dialog. Processors. Memory. Summary. 1 GB. 1. Property. 1020.
let's provide
What?
4096 MB. Now if you want to run your virtual machine like slightly, that means without any distraction, you will have to need you have to have a nicer amount, that means a considerable RAM and a faster processor. Okay, keep it in mind.
MB slider. Add. Close. Help. Property page. MB. List. Memory. Summary. 4. Memory. Processors. Summary. 1 2. Processors. 2. List. New CD. Network. USB control. Sound card. Summary. Auto detect 6 of 8.
Auto detect.
Printer. Summary. Display.
Okay, these are okay.
Help button. Tab control. Help button. Close button. Add. Help. List. Display. Help. Close. Add. Max. Monitor. Add. Close button. New. Power on this virtual machine after creation checkbox checked alt
Yes,
plus P.
let's
Not check.
uncheck.
Less back button. Finish button. Pressed.
Finish.
VMware
Now-
Workstation 15 player.
Okay, now it has created.
Home 1 of 2. Windows Vista X64 edition 2 of 2.
We have to
Context menu. Power on P.
let's simply we have to press power on.
Windows Vista
And
X64 Edition VMware.
It will start its process loading, and it will fill all the forms on the standalone installation package, and
Windows
it will do rest of the task. Let's
recognizing result document. Microsoft Corporation. Microsoft Corporation.
we can use the OCR function by pressing insert plus R,
Windows
which is available on Windows 10. Now if you are using Windows 7 or Windows 8, there is an add-on called OCR on the add-ons page. Now I have done a tutorial about NVIDIA add-ons explaining all about it. If you didn't watch it, or if you don't know about NVIDIA add-ons, please go and watch it, then you will be able to understand. Okay, so
recognizing result document. Install Windows. Installing Windows. That's all the information we need right now. Your computer will restart several times during installation. Copying files 0%. Expanding files. Installing features. Windows.
Now the NVDA is not compatible with Windows Vista, because the minimum requirement of the NVDA is to have, I think, service pack 1. Now I don't know whether the NVDA community is compatible with Windows Vista, and also it is not possible to share drives. I tried to do those things but I failed. I'll try again. Okay, I'm not sure whether the NVDA works or not with Windows Vista. If the NVDA works, it is good. It is better to get around with narrator. It is very annoying. We can't get around with narrator, specifically Windows 7 Vista narrator, all the narrator. Now when it comes to Windows 10, it is better. The narrator is very good. Okay, so this process may take some time. Okay, so I will come back after the installation process completes. Okay, now the virtual machine has restarted. It is doing its job as usual. So after installing the Windows Vista system, after getting into the desktop, we have to install the VMware tools. Okay, for that you need an internet connection. Now I will show after installing VMware, that means after installing the Windows Vista and getting into the desktop. For most of that means after installing the VMware tools, it will become lots of compatible. Okay, so we can use Windows Vista with our keyboard very efficiently. Okay, it enables lots of bug fixes, so it fixes lot of bugs. So let's check.
Recognizing result document. Install Windows. Installing Windows. That's all the information we need right now. Your computer will restart several times during installation. Copying files. Expanding files. Installing features. Installing updates. Completing installation. Collecting information. Installing Windows. Installing Windows. Windows Vista.
So
speech mode off.
I will come back after the process completes. Okay, now it restarted. Now what's going on?
Windows.
Now you can get the keyboard input to the virtual machine by pressing Ctrl G, and you can get out from the guest operating system to host by pressing Alt and Control. Okay, keep it in mind. Let's see, it is loading. Now I can see an arrow, the mouse arrow. Come on, let's see how much RAM usage.
Start window. Windows Vista physical 6.75 GB of 11.90.
6.75 GB. Reasonable amount of RAM has been used to this virtual machine. Okay, let's see. It is slightly slow compared to physical machines. It is slightly slow. And I'm sorry for my dim voice because I'm in a sick, so I can't speak very well. And also, if you have any ideas, suggestions, please post in the comment section. It helped me a lot to create new videos to this YouTube channel and grow this YouTube channel. And yeah, if possible, try to share with your friends so they can learn about those terms, technologies, and they also can experiment with this. Now, since this is blind related channel, the audience are not much, so we have to help each other and we have to grow. That is my point. Okay, as you can hear, we have got, oh, what is that? We heard this welcome sound of the Windows Vista. Let's scan.
Recognizing. Result document. See preparing your desktop.
Oh, preparing your desktop.
Windows Vista Ultimate. Windows Vista Ultimate. Windows.
The OCR function is quite good in Windows 10 actually. Come on man, hurry up. So we can make full screen even, but I don't know whether the OBS can capture it. Oh, I have to switch to a new scene. Let's do it.
OBS. Stop recording. Add. Transit. Mixer. Sources. Scenes. Add scene.
VMware. Okay.
OBS. Add. Audio input. Group. Window.
Window
create
capture.
OK. Properties. Split button.
Okay. It has
down combo box match title. Capture cursor checkbox check. Multi default. OK. OBS 2.
Okay.
Windows.
Now let's make it full screen.
Pane.
Okay. Now what the window capture does is it will capture only the specified window. Now since I have specified to capture the VMware, it will not capture whatever I do on the screen other than VMware. Okay, now I have done a tutorial about OBS. As usual, if you want, you can watch it on my YouTube channel. It is available. Now the keyboard is given to the VMware. Oh, I have got something error. Oh.
Windows Vista. Start window. Windows.
Oh my god. My
Start window. Windows Vista. 64. Recognizing result document. Installing VMware toolbox. Please wait a few seconds. Temper command TXT. Windows command line to make sure user. Name correctly and enter again. Name correctly and name Windows Vista. 64. 23. Windows Vista.
I think.
Thank.
Let's press enter. Okay. Okay, we have got. Okay, we have got the desktop. Okay, we have got the desktop as usual.
Windows Vista 64.
Let's make it full screen. Okay. Now, let's narrate. This may take some time compared to physical machines. Since this is a virtual machine, it may take some time to launch narrate, and also the sound is not also quite good, and the keyboard responding is not also quite good. Let's see what happened to the narrator. Come on. I pressed Windows key and searched for NAR, and I pressed enter as usual.
Windows Vista X64 Edition VMware Workstation.
Come on, where is the narrator, man? What happened to the narrator? I don't know what is going on. Okay, let's do again. Narrator. Come on, what is going on? Okay,
Windows Vista X64.
I'll come back
Windows Capture.
as
Vista window. Team Command Control Control Recording.
soon as possible. Okay, after narrator comes. Okay, the narrator has come.
Speech mode off.
Speech mode off. Okay,
Tap. Voice settings button. Space.
okay.
Up arrow. Tap. Up arrow. Down. Tap. Tap. Set pitch combo box. Tap. Tap. Cancel button. Tap. Space.
Okay.
Microsoft Narrator. Windows. Escape. Tap. Show desktop. Tap. Microsoft Narrator. Tap. Updates are not being installed automatically button. Tap.
Oh.
Recycle bin. Desktop. Tap. Update. Down arrow. Windows Security Alerts button. Windows Security Alerts.
Yeah, the sound is not
Control.
good.
Down arrow. Safely remove hardware. Down arrow. Windows sidebar button. Down arrow. Currently connected to network access. Local. Down arrow. Volume button. Enter
Volume.
main volume slider at 67%. 100%.
Okay.
Escape. Windows.
Now,
For rash app.
I think after installing the VMware tools,
Control.
the responding problems will be solved.
Control.
Let's see whether it is.
Speech mode off.
Now to install VMware tools, simply press Alt key and press down arrow.
Context menu.
No, that means
Windows.
just press first time Alt and after press down arrow. Do not hold it, okay?
Context menu.
File.
Submenu. Power submenu. Removable devices. And control manage submenu. And full screen manage
Yeah.
sub install VMware tools. Unavailable.
Manage start menu. Oh my god.
Message login. Virtual machine settings. Control install VMware tools. Unavailable.
Unavailable.
Manage full screen control plus and unity view. Help submenu. Empty text. Power submenu. Power submenu. Removable devices.
Okay.
Power unavailable. Power with
Now let's go to the
64. 23.
actual system.
Speech mode off.
Let's
Windows F4.
shut down the system.
Shut down Windows. Up. Down arrow. Shut down. Enter.
Shut down. Okay. Let's shut down the system and let's try. Oh, we have got an error message. What is going on? Oh my god. Oh, what is this error message?
Mouse mode on.
Starting narrator. Narrator quick start. Heading left.
Please wait.
Removable devices dialog. Check do not show this hint again checkbox. Alt plus S. The following device. OK button. Check do not show this hint again check. Removable devices dialog. Check do not show this hint again checkbox. Alt plus S. The following devices can be connected to this virtual machine using the status bar or choosing VM removable devices. OK but space. Taskbar pane.
Okay.
Start window. Cortana. Search box. OBS 2 3.1 point. Narrator settings window. Exiting narrator.
Let's launch VMware again. Okay. Now, NVDA. What's happened to NVDA? Now, when you run a virtual machine, you have to sacrifice your time. Okay. This is, you need lots of resources to run, and sometimes your OS will crash or NVIDIA become not responsible, etc. Those are things you have to you will encounter. Okay.
Desktop list NVDA 7.7.
Okay. Let's.
Selected no Windows new and work on Microsoft.
Desktop list. VMware Workstation 15. Windows Vista X64 Edition 2 of 2.
Now let's power on
Context
the
menu.
system.
Power on. Windows Vista X64 Edition VMware Workstation 15
Okay.
player. Pane.
This power on. Okay. Please wait. Now let's try.
File. Remove. Send control. Manage sub. Full. Manage. Install VMware tools. Unavailable T.
Unavailable. Why is that?
Message log L. Virtual machine. Manage sub. Full screen control plus.
I don't know why.
Window. Context menu. File. Exit app. Help sub menu H. Help topics F1T. Online document. Support sub. Upgrade to. Exit app. File sub menu app. Exit app. Help sub. Unity U. Full screen. Unity. VMware Workstation 15 player dialog. The virtual machine cannot enter Unity mode because the guest operating system does not have VMware tools installed. The guest operating system's resolution cannot be changed. OK button. Windows Vista. Exit act.
Now there are tons and tons of settings you can experiment with the VMware.
Helps. Unity U. Full screen. Manage submenu. Send control plus all. Removable device. Power submenu P. CD/DVD. SATA. Check submenu C.
Now these are
Floppy check
device.
submenu F. Disconnect D.
Disconnect.
Windows.
I don't need a floppy.
File. Power. Removable. C. Flop. Network adapter check submenu. Printer submenu P. Sound card check sub. C media generic USB audio device submenu C. CD/DVD. Connect. Disconnect from host C. Change icon. Show icon checked S. C media generic USB audio device submenu. Removable. Power submenu P. Power on unavailable.
The generic audio device is my headphones. Okay.
Shut down guest O. Suspend. Restart guest. Power on unavailable. Power. File submenu. New virtual machine. Open. Download. Preferences. New virtual open. Control. File submenu F. New virtual Windows. OBS. Starts. Windows Vista X64 Edition VMware Workstation 15 player.
Now.
Context menu. Exit X. Help submenu H. X. Power sub.
Let's power off the virtual machine. And I have to try to share the NVDA file with the Windows Vista. Now since this is a virtual hard disk, we have to copy the NVDA file to the virtual hard disk. Oh, in whatever way, let's try to install NVDA. With narrator, it is hard to tab around in an experiment with Windows Vista. I don't like to use the narrator
Windows
voice.
Vista X64 Edition OBS 64.
Okay. So
stop recording check.
I will come back after I experiment with this setting. Okay, please wait. Okay guys, now I have tried to copy the NVDA file to the virtual machine, the virtual hard disk, but it is not doable. And also the next key thing is you need NVDA 2017.3 downwards to use it with the Windows Vista system, because NVDA has dropped support with older operating system from 2017.4 I think. So I downloaded 2017.2 version of the NVDA, and I have found a way to install NVIDIA on the Windows Vista machine. It is by using a USB flash drive. Okay, now I'm gonna plug my USB flash drive and connect it to the virtual machine by disconnecting the host. Host means my current system, and guest is the virtual machine. Okay, so I'm gonna plug the okay, now let's
Speech mode talk. Windows Vista X64 Edition 2 of 2.
let's power on.
Context power on key. Windows Vista X64 Edition VMware Workstation 15 player pane.
Okay, let's power on. And if any updates are available on this virtual machine, please install it, so you will be able to minimize some of the issues. Okay, and also there is an audio stuttering in the machine. That is also an unfortunate situation. So let's now press
Context menu. Files power submenu P. Removable devices CD/DVD. SATA submenu C. Floppy submenu F. Network adapter submenu N. Printer submenu P. Sound card check submenu S. Disconnect D. Settings S. Virtual machine setting. Device list. Sound card. Device status grouping. Connected checkbox check Alt plus. Connected power on checkbox check Alt plus O. Connection grouping. Use default host sound card radio button check Alt plus D. Add button Alt plus O.
Okay.
Windows Vista. Contact files power submenu P. Remove send CT. Removable devices submenu R. CD/C media generic USB audio device. Instant data traveler 3.0 subconnect.
Yeah.
Disconnect.
This
Change icon. I connect. Disconnect from host. C.
you have to press this one. And also, if you are gonna try this, please do not there is a comprehensive risk. Okay, now if you have any limited amount of resources like 2 GB RAM, 1 GB RAM, so I do not recommend to try out, but it is your choice.
Change icon. I.
So
Connect. Disconnect from host. C. Windows Vista x64 Edition VMware Workstation 15 player dialog. A USB device is about to be unplugged from the host and connected to this virtual machine. It will first be stopped to enable safe removal. With some OK button. Windows Vista x64 Edition VMware Workstation 15 player. Pane.
now in a minute we will get the autoplay dialog most
Windows
probably. Let's see what's going on.
Ops 64. Windows. Ops 64. Ops. Windows. Context exit. Help sub unit U. Full screen. Manage sub menu. Send CTRL plus alt plus to manage install VMware tools. Unavailable T.
This is unavailable. I don't know why.
Manage send removable devices. Sub CD. CD. Instant data traveler 3.0. Check sub menu K.
Checked.
Disconnect. Connect to host. D. Change icon. I. Show icon. Check S. Disconnect. Connect to host. Instant removable device.
Okay.
Windows Vista. Pane.
Let's go to the computer. Let's turn on the high
Windows Vista x64 Edition VMware Workstation 15 player.
Now I have turned on the high contrast mode so I can see better by pressing Control Shift and print screen. The print screen is located on top of the home key most probably. Now I am using a keyboard which is I don't know what. I'm sorry. So if you want you can turn on the help mode.
Cortana window search box. Windows Vista x64. Op 6. Windows Vista. Folder view list. Crazy NVDA.
Is stuck.
Op 60. Windows Vista. Input help on. NVDA. Home. Print screen.
Yeah,
Print
you
screen.
can
Scroll
press
N. Home. NVDA. NVDA plus 1. Input help off.
So
Same.
I'm looking forward to the. It is not. It has not been connected. Yes, it is not. Definitely
Windows.
connected.
Context help sub menu U. Full screen C manage sub menu. Send CTRL plus alt plus L manage send CTRL removable device CD CD instant data track disconnect. Connect to change icon. I. Show icon disconnect. Windows Vista x64 Edition VMware Workstation 15 player.
Okay. What's going on?
Context help Unity full screen manage sub menu send CTRL plus alt removable CD CD instant data traveler 3.0 sub menu K. Connect. Disconnect from host. C. Windows Vista x64 cancel button. Do not show this message again. Check box checked. OK but Windows Vista x64 Edition VMware Workstation 15 player.
What is going on, man? It isn't connecting. Let's remove the and let's plug it in.
New USB device detected dialog. Choose where you would like to connect. Instant data traveler 3.0. Connect to the host radio, but connect to a virtual machine. Connect to the host. Remember my choice and do not connect. Connect to a list. Window. Remember my choice. OK button. Windows Vista x64 Edition VMware Workstation 15 player.
Now most probably it will be connected.
Check.
Okay guys, I think I have troubleshooted the issue. On the settings of the virtual machine, I have set the USB controller to 3.0.
Windows sidebar pane.
So I think my
Windows sidebar pane.
USB
Feed viewer pane.
Pane.
Hyperlink. Control.
USB flash drive is not supported USB 3.0. So let's
Windows.
see
Control.
whether
C.
the
Locate. Windows. Control. R.
no, not yet. Let's unplug the USB and let's plug it.
New USB device detected dialog. Choose where you would like. Connect to a virtual machine. Connect to the host. Connect to a virtual machine. Rate list. Remember my choice. OK button. Windows Vista x64 Edition VMware Workstation 15 player.
Ah, exactly.
Autoplay window. Focus
Oh.
on choose a newly installed
Hey.
program as work. Control.
So now
Location box. Control. And down arrow. Presentations. Down arrow. NVDA underscore 2017 dot. NVDA.
yes, this is the
Focus
file.
on. Contain. Please wait while set up tab. Tab for.
Let's close
Tab.
the
Tab.
narrator. Oh!
Test folder view list.
Control.
NVDA dialog. Like test Microsoft narrator. Exit
Okay.
NVDA dialog. License agreement.
Now
Agree checkbox space checked. Install
let's
NVDA.
install.
Create desk. Continue button all. Secure desktop. Desktop list. Recycle bin not sit. Installing NVDA. Success typed in sidebar wallet. Desktop.
The audio stuttering thing.
Windows Vista x64. Studio mode checkbox not checked. Stop recording checkbox checked. Windows Vista.
Now I'm wondering whether the audio is great or not. Let's see what's going on.
Game. And recycle bin 1 of 2. NVDA 2. Rate 35. Rate 40. Rate 50. Pitch 40. Pitch 50. Start button control plus S.
Now let's go through the tour.
Start menu. Start search edit. Start search. Blank. Internet at 1 of 11. Email 2 of 11. Welcome center. Windows Ultimate. Windows Media Center. Windows Media Player.
Lots of changes, guys.
Windows Meeting Space W7 of 11. Windows Photo Gallery W. Windows Live Messenger Download. Windows DVD Maker W10 of 11. Narrator N11 of 11. All programs. Start search edit. Blank.
Go to the
Namespace
whole
3.
program.
Internet Explorer 2 of 2. Internet Explorer 64-bit. Windows Calendar 4 of 20. Windows Contact. Windows Defend. Windows DVD. Windows Fact. Windows Live. Windows Mail 10. Windows Media Center 11. Windows Media. Windows Meet. Windows Movie. Windows Update 6. Accessories. Extras and Games. Collapse 9. Extras and upgrades. Collapse 18 of expanded. 4 items. Level 2 Small Business Resources 1 of 4. Check. Windows Marketplace 2 of 4. Level Small Business Resource. Windows Marketplace. Windows Ultimate Extras 3 of. Windows Website 4 of 4. Level 1 Games Collapse 19 of 22. Maintenance Collapse. NVDA Collapse. Startup Collapse. Backs up. Start blank. Namespace 3 Control. Windows Calendar 4 of. Internet Explorer.
Let's go to the internet.
RT.
Sorry.
Start blank. All programs start search blank. Names Windows Internet Explorer 64-bit 3 of 20 taskbar. Windows Internet Explorer HTTP / go graphic info icon. Heading level 1 Internet Explorer cannot display the web.
Oh,
What
what happened to?
Internet Explorer Windows Vista X64 menu Alt plus F. Context menu. Exit help submenu menu. Full screen CTR.
We have to give it a
Manage send CTR removable devices CD/deep CD instant sound card check printer submenu network adapter submenu N.
network adapter.
Connect C. Windows Vista X64 edition VMware workstation 15 player.
Connect. Okay.
Game.
Now, oh,
Desktop playlist.
the audio.
Recycled in 1 of 2.
We have to wait little bit so the audio will be okay.
Start button. Quit lock running application notification NVDA button. Safely remove hardware Windows sidebar button. Windows Defender button. System control F volume button. Currently connected to network to
Okay.
access. Start menu. Start search blank. Namespace 3 Windows Calendar 4 of 2. Internet Explorer 64-bit task. Windows Internet Explorer HTTP /
This is Internet Explorer 8, okay, which means this is completely accessible. I have used it on Windows 7. Nice, I love this software, but when it comes to Internet Explorer 11, which is the current version of Windows 10, I think,
GOOGLE.LK.
it is not
Google search link it.
accessible.
Search link it. Google search edit.
Now,
Address from
YouTube.
YouTube.
Great, guys, I love this. So you can try whatever
YouTube
virtual
document.
machine you want.
Blank. Search button.
Let's play a video.
Button close.
Oh, the YouTube.
Button skip navigate. Button dot. Link YouTube. Link upload. Link button search. Edit. List with 2. Out of list navigation landmark. Menu item link trending. Out of menu out of list main landmark list with 8 items. List with 1 item. Trending link play all heading. List with 15 items. Heading level 3 link lucky tag cover gift link. Out of list out of list out of.
Let's play the NVDA
N.
mission.
Sorry, GOOGLE, sorry. Heading level 1 we're sorry, but your computer or network may be sending automated queries. To protect our users, we can't process your request right now. See link Google Help for more information. Link Google Home.
Weird. So let's close the
Taskbar.
Internet Explorer
Start
and
menu. Rush document, pictures, secret document. Documents. Folder new list. Folder new list. Documents. Date modif. Downloads. Date modified. Folder new list.
download.
Folder new list. Documents. Contacts. Date modif. Desktop. Date. Download. Links. Date modif. Favorites. Date music. Date modif. Pictures. Date. Folder new list. Sample pic select. Folder
Oh,
new list.
there are lots
Autumn
of
leaves,
pictures,
space,
man.
Select. Autumn leaves. Windows. Help button. Changes the display actual size button. Previous button. Play slideshow button. Next button. Play slideshow space. Prep unknown unavailable. Windows Vista X64 edition VMware workstation 15.
Oh, nice photo, man. Okay.
Sample pictures. Desktop list. Recycled in 1 of 2.
So let's look at the
Blank. Russia dot 1 of
control
2.
panel.
Pictures. Music. Games. Geek. Recent items. Computer C7 of 12. Network N8 of 12. Connect to C9 of 12. Control panel C10. Control panel. Search edit search.
This also has changed. Now, guys, I'm very glad that we have a nicer Windows. Windows 10 Now I'm very glad we have a nice Windows, nice softwares than previous.
Classic new link. Explorer. Get started with Windows link. Classic new link. Folder new list. Add hardware not selected. 1 8 and time 8 of 50. Indexing options. Internet options. Pen and input. Problem reports. Programs and system 30. Windows card. Welcome sent. Windows. Welcome sent. Folder new list. Connect to the internet. What's new in Windows? Connect to the internet. Browse the internet now. Button Alt plus I.
Oh.
Set up a new connection anyway. Cancel button. Welcome sent 1. Get started with Windows 13 grouping expanded. 2. Offers from Microsoft. 1. Personalized Win. Window color and appearance link alt plus double space. Appearance settings dialog. Appearance property page. Color scheme list. Windows Vista Basic. Windows Standard. Windows Classic. Windows Standard. Personalization. Window. Desktop list. Recycled in one.
This is Windows Standard. So
Start menu. Start search edit. Start search blank. All program Internet X Windows DVD Maker W10 of Windows Live Messenger download W taskbar. Windows Internet Explorer http://go.microsoft.com/fw link ID equals 68007 button collapsed more services. OneDrive visited link heading level 1. It's time to update your browser heading level 3. To get the most out of OneDrive.com, install the latest version of one of these browsers. Button Internet Explorer button Mozilla Firefox button to get the most out of Internet Explorer. Security information dialog. This page contains both secure and non-secure. Yes button folks page https://support link skip to main content. Your browser is out of date. Heading. You need to update your browser. Visited link. Update to the latest version of Internet Explorer. Search 404 captions. Update to the latest.
oh, audio.
Link download set.
The response is not quite good, guys. Unfortunately, I think we didn't, since we cannot install the VMware tools, it is the problem. But if it is possible to install VMware tools, most probably the response time will be shorter.
Main landmark shop surface row 6.
It's close.
Desktop
Okay.
list. Recycled in 1 of 2.
So this is the end of this Windows Vista tour. I hope you enjoyed it. Unfortunately, I am not able to provide the links to download Windows Vista ISO images. Okay, you can understand me, you know me about, so this is very risky. I have tried to install Windows Vista on my laptop. It works well, so I used that Talking Windows pre-installation environment. Let's shut down this. Oh,
Windows Vista. Speech mode off.
so I used the Windows Talking pre-installation environment. It works well. The setup process is very accessible, and I installed NVDA, etc. So it works well. But the case is, I have downloaded the Windows Vista ISO image from an unknown source. Now even I couldn't remember where I got the Windows ISO file. It is about 3.7 GB in size. Okay, so yeah, so thank you for watching. Let's see how to delete. Let's delete the complete
Speech mode top. Windows Vista x64 edition 2 of 2.
simply you have to
Context menu.
right click,
Power on key. Settings. S rename and remove from the library R. Delete from this key.
delete from this.
Power on key. Delete from this
Okay,
key.
and press enter.
VMware Workstation 15 player dialog warning. This action is irreversible. Are you sure you want?
This action is reversible.
No, but no. Yes, but no. Press one.
Irreversible. Okay, so you have to click yes.
Press VMware Workstation 15.
Okay, oh my god. Now can you remember where I set up the location to install file?
Context
I
menu.
hope you cannot remember.
Exit.
So
Op64. Op myself. Folder view list. NVDA 6. Op. Myself row 1. Folder.
let's
Define source. This PC 2 of 8. This preview level 2 rack. Items view. Preview level. Welcome to Windows Vista Project 19 of 25.
This is
Welcome
the
to NVDA 2018 audio. Windows Vista Project 19 of 25. Items view list. Y2 make record 20. My movie. Pleasure world. Text. Adventure show. Windows Vista Project 19 of. Welcome to voicemail 7. Tutorials. Define source. Sound form 14 of 20. Recovery video.
yes, it
Retail
has
folder
been
view.
deleted.
Test.
It has deleted the whole Windows Vista system files. Okay, yeah, this is the end of this video. I hope you have enjoyed. Obviously there are no any knowledges to take, but I hope you enjoyed. So if you have any recommendations, or if you would like to go a tour on another operating system, please post it in the comment section. I'm happy to go around. In the future, I have planned to go around or tour on other operating systems. Let's see what's going on. According to your feedbacks, it will be occurred in the future. Okay, so thank you for watching. See you in the next video, and signing out,
Stop recording.
Mohammed Rashad.